Flagstar Bank, which Flagstar, by the way, I've always admired Flagstar's business model because they're one of the rare large banks that also does mortgage well.
Yes.
Like they are a mortgage company and they also are a bank. Because in today's day and age, you have banks and banks do a great job of being banks. Their mortgage departments, depending on the bank, my opinion,
Yeah.
right?
Fair.
You have mortgage companies.
Fair.
They are awesome mortgage companies. But you ask them, do they do any banking? Like, oh, no, we just do mortgages. Flagstar does both. And they do both well.
Very well.
Did you win or you were granted or you just submitted, but you're a part of an incubation technology hub through Flagstar? Is that right? Can you talk a little bit about that?
So Flagstar chose us as one of 3 companies in the country in which they would basically take our proposed solution and not only help us ensure that it's meeting a regulatory compliance needs in terms of how we work with different lenders and different banks, but then also scalable so that as we build this out, as we build out our suite of tools, if you will, that we are truly solving problems that lenders have on the back end. When you look at what we're trying to do, there are some that are going to want new lead generation. But to your point, what about those that just want to incubate current customers that are already within their portfolio? How do you do that?
Yeah, that would be me.
Yeah,
right?
It would be you. So how do we do that in a way that makes sense for everyone, that still isn't steering, isn't redlining, but it's still helping you address some of the biggest issues, some of the biggest gaps that you have, which is how do I inform them of where they're at, nurture them to become more purchase ready without putting up more human capital. I utilize conversational artificial intelligence. I utilize data science, machine learning to help these individuals become more purchase ready. And then when they are, the system signals that to you is the best way to go about doing that. And Flagstar is helping us build out that model to scale across the country.